Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can delete the cutout stickers on Instagram. So in here, I've already opened the Instagram apps, and if you guys didn't know, there is a feature where you can create cutout stickers using your photos on Instagram. And here I'm going to show you how you can delete the stickers that you've been created before. So here I'm going to just click on your story, and then for example here I'm going to just select a random photo. For example, this one's right here. And now if you want to see the stickers that you created, you can just click on this sticker icon at the top. So you can see this is my stickers. There are 3 stickers here, and if you want to delete this one of the stickers from your Instagram, you can just long press on the sticker that you want to delete. For example, I'm going to delete this one, and there will be this pop-up. So you can delete the stickers, but any reels and stories that others created with the sticker will be deleted, and reels and story you created will not be deleted, but you won't be able to access or use the sticker again. So if you're sure you want to delete the sticker, just click on delete button. And just like that, the sticker will be removed from your Instagram. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.